Selling. Does that concept give you the willies a little bit? Does it make you feel like, I don't really like to sell myself, or I don't like to be sold to, or... Well, let me tell you that we're actually selling all the time. That's what we do as people. We share what we like. We share what we're excited about. We share what happened to us, whether it's good or bad. But there is a selling component to everything. And it's fun when you can find the fun in it. So it's important to address selling because we want to think about it as a way that we are in service. It is not a braggadocious thing. You're not being a braggart by talking about who you are and what you do. If you truly believe in what you're doing and you can connect to what you are genuinely excited about, you are in service to that gift that you have, whether it's your product or service or you're selling on behalf of a company. If you block yourself from your ability to tap into what you love about what you do, then you are shortchanging all of the people that you come into contact who you can help. You are in service to that. And when you can really connect to what you love, the experience of selling can be fun. It really is a win-win for everybody. So let's just say that you saw a movie recently that you loved. You just loved. You went out for dinner and then you went to this movie and it was hilarious. And you start telling somebody about how great it was and you should absolutely go, or went to this new theater and it's got stadium seats. You're selling. Even though you're not getting a paycheck from the movie theater or the restaurant that you went to before that you liked, or the movie producers of the film, you're not getting a paycheck. But isn't it funny how the minute that you want to sell yourself or your company, you feel like, I'm bragging a little bit, I don't want to brag. Well, this module is about dissecting what is it about selling that pushes you back a little bit, and how can you flip that around to start to engage with what you love about what you do, what makes what you do amazing, and then how to articulate it in a very succinct elevator pitch. We'll get to that later. So let's not fear selling anymore. You are born to do service to what you sell. So let's make the journey fun and effective.